Heading under the harbour bridge for our workshop to meet up with the rest of the delegates, members, attendees. What a great day on the harbour with Two Up Sailing.
Good morning, I'm out on Sydney Harbour on Two Up, a beautiful sailing boat, and we're out learning to shoot video and upload and edit. And I'm here with Ralphie from North Shore Paint and Maintenance. And how's your morning been, Ralphie?
Oh, well, beats working.
But when I'm answering the question, I'm talking to the camera, or I'm talking to Brad, or a bit of both?
Talking to Brad. And you can address both.
We look like we're in love with one another.
Yeah.
See Lindsay, say hello. What do you think of the course?
I think the course is amazing. Yeah, really got a lot out of it, and it's going to help me with my social media posts and make them a little bit more polished. I don't want to make them too polished. I like them a little raw. But hey, the video I just put together looks like a professional did it. The biggest tip that I learned was that how to hold the phone is really critical. And I also really learned a lot about how to pan and tilt and actually moving everything together rather than tipping the phone up and down and left and right. So yeah, that was a big thing for me. So thanks for that.
Danny, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, I'm impressed. We do quite a bit of video work with our social media marketing, and I've learned a few tips here, stuff that I didn't know already, so it's been really valuable. And I got to go out on a boat for a morning.
It's opened up a new world of marketing and advertising opportunities for me, uploading videos and really creating some new content for the website. So I'm really looking forward to getting back and trying it out and getting some stuff online. It's great, and a lovely day on the harbour too.
Great day on the boat to do some workshops, huh?
Awesome day on the boat to do some workshops.